Are you having a problem fail to fetch data in World Apps? Actually, I believe the World Apps, I think sometimes gets maybe glitches or something. What I do is I just actually have to close all the tabs. I just close all the tabs on my phone and I try to restart it. If it fails, actually, I just give it some time, like maybe like a day or 24 hours. I just try the following day and it works. Okay, there's no actually major fix that I know which can really fix fail to fetch data, fail to fetch data in the wall apps, other than actually waiting. Okay, I just actually open it in the morning. Sometimes it doesn't work. I just try it actually late in the evening, and it works. Okay, if you have tried to close all the tabs and still actually it's failing to work, you can actually give it some time. Maybe try that later in the evening or a day. Usually 24 hours works for me. I don't know why, but it really works for me. Okay, let me know what works for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.